Hello, welcome to Geeta's Maths class. Today we are going to learn about rectilinear figures. What are rectilinear figures? First of all, let me explain you what are plane figures. See, let me draw some figures. Okay, these all are plane figures. You see, this one from here to here I have started and ended. This one from here to here. These all are plane figures. Some are closed and some are open figures. What are closed figures and what are open figures? If the starting point and the ending point is the same, that is said to be closed figure. Otherwise, it is open figure. So this is open figure. This one also open figure because this is the starting point, this is the ending point. But this is closed. From here I have started and reached the same point. This is closed. And this is also opened. Starting point and ending point is not the same. This is closed and this is also closed. So these all are plane figures. Plane figures are closed, simple plane figures. Some are closed, some are open figures. If the starting point and ending point of the figure is the same, it is said to be closed figure. Now, what are rectilinear figures? Rectilinear figures, a plane figure made up of only line segments, are known as rectilinear figures. Now in all these figures you see, this is not a line segment. This figure is made up of only line segments. This one also line segments, but this one arc is there and so no. This is also made up of line segments. This is also made up of line segments. So what are rectilinear figures is plane figures made up of line segments are called rectilinear figures. So these four are made up of line segments. So these are rectilinear figures. Then now let me explain you what is a polygon. A rectilinear figure which is closed is called a polygon. That means you see these four are rectilinear figures because they are made up of line segments, but the figures made up of line segments and also closed are said to be polygons. So what is a polygon? A polygon means a closed plane figure, or we can say a closed rectilinear figure. Rectilinear figures, if they are closed, a closed rectilinear figure we can say. Rectilinear means made up of line segments. Or if you want to write a closed figure made up of line segments, made up of line segments. Figure made up of line segments is rectilinear figure. Closed figure made up of line segments is known as a polygon. So here these four are rectilinear figures, but this is not closed. So this is not a plane figure, but this is closed, this is closed, this is closed. So these three are polygons. So polygon means a closed plane figure made up of line segments is called a polygon, and rectilinear figure means a figure made up of line segments. It may be closed or open. Okay. Now, there are different types of polygons as per the number of sides. Okay. Based on the number of sides of the polygon, there are different types of polygons. A figure having 3 sides is called a triangle. Okay, types of polygons. Types of polygons. A polygon having 3 sides is called a triangle. Similarly, polygon having 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. Quadra means 4. Quadrilateral. A polygon having 5 sides is a pentagon. A polygon having 6 sides is a hexagon. A polygon having 7 sides is a heptagon. A polygon having 8 sides is an octagon. A polygon having 9 sides is a nonagon. And a 10-sided figure or a 10-sided polygon is known as a decagon. A decagon. Already you learnt what is a polygon. Closed figure means a closed plane figure made up of 10 sides is a decagon. A closed plane figure made up of 7 sides is a heptagon, and so on. Then the line segment joining the adjacent vertices is called the side, and the line segment joining the opposite vertices is called the diagonal of the polygon. What is the diagonal of the polygon? Diagonal. Suppose this is a plane figure. Let me name it as A, B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided figure is called a pentagon. Already you have learned. Here, AB diagonal. What is the diagonal? AC, AD, or the diagonal from vertex A, AC, AD, and from vertex B, BD and BE, BD, BE are the diagonals from vertex B. AC already written. From C to E, CE. Then from D to A and D to B already written. These are the diagonals of the polygon. The line segment joining a vertex to its opposite side, opposite vertex, is called the diagonal of the polygon. Now, there are 2 types of polygons. These are as per the sides. Now, as per the angles, there are 2 types of polygons. Convex polygon and the concave polygon. What is a convex polygon and what is a concave polygon? Let me explain you. Convex polygon means a polygon in which each angle is less than 180 degree is called a convex polygon. Convex polygon. Let me show you the figures of convex polygon. A, B, C, D, E, F. You can see all the angles are less than 180 degree. It's a convex polygon. It is also a convex what is a concave polygon? Concave polygon means a polygon in which one or more angles is greater than 180 degree. Greater than 180 degree. You know that the angle greater than 180 degree is a reflex angle. It is called a concave polygon. Is called a concave polygon. Let me draw figure. You see here P, Q, R, S, T, U. This angle you can see, this is greater than 180 degree or this is a reflex angle. So this particular polygon is having one angle more than 180 degree. So it is a concave polygon. I hope you understood what is a rectilinear figure, what is a polygon, what are the different types of polygons, what is a diagonal, and what are convex and concave polygons. I hope the concept is clear to you. Please go through the lesson very clearly. It will be very much helpful to you. I hope you like the class. If you are not subscribed the channel, please subscribe. Thank you.